Me and Nicole are on our way to check out another beach. What's it called? Playa
Preciosa.
Playa Preciosa. It's right here behind our hostel. Our lovely host has given us some advice, so we're gonna follow that advice. Our absolutely fantastic and friendly host, Jackie, just stopped us on our way out and was nice enough to just give us some more towels for the beach. Hearing some noises I've never even heard before. Someone's coming this way.
I don't know.
Awesome. So now it has finally stopped raining. It was raining for like 20 hours straight. So now we can show you around this amazing place that we're staying at right here. It's the Something Nature Retreat. It's the Something Nature Retreat. I'm gonna figure it out and edit it in. Okay. Well, here's our room. It's our room. It's a pretty standard room, you know, a bed, a bathroom, AC. Check this out.
Chill area.
Got a nice chill hangout area. So when you look at it on a map, on Google Maps, it's actually inside a tiny little nature preserve. So you get all sorts of wildlife here. Crabs, birds, monkeys, lizards,
There's a little dog.
cool bugs. Where's Princess? Princess? Hey, you little dog. Princess? Here is like the main, this is main reception area, also a bar and another hangout area. They got the menu. And it's just open to nature. So don't leave the food out or the raccoons or monkeys are gonna get it. They offer food and beer if you want it for your convenience. They have a full list of tours for your convenience. We're trying to go on the kayaking tour to see some bioluminescence in the water. Best hostel ever. Where's the tiny crab?
Right here. Tinier crab right there.
There's a tiny little baby crab.
It's even smaller, this one.
And there's Princess. Oh, look at you. You're the cutest tiny dog I've ever seen in my life.
Here's our little path to the kitchen. We've got these little stones going down. Boop, 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 boop. So we've got some pots and pans, recycling. This is pretty awesome.
Cans, paper,
Separate
plastic,
for everything.
and glass.
Microwave. What's this? Uh-oh. The booze cabinet. And it's locked. You can make some coffee over here. Use the crock pot. Jeff's been keeping his beer in this fridge. It's a community fridge. She said we could eat some of these fruits. I'm kind of curious about what these fruits taste like. Pretty nice open kitchen.
Right next to the bar, lobby, kitchen area.
Cool hangout spot right there.
Yeah, got a little corner here with some couches and another lounge spot. Now we're on this path. So earlier today, this was all flooded with water because it was raining for like 20 hours straight. The water's gone down though. And I'm pretty sure this is just an extension of the property. Same business. Yeah, Nicole and I have another night of, we just walked down a couple blocks to the local supermarket, got some groceries, and we're gonna cook for ourselves tonight. We got some chicken, we got some green beans, got a tomato, some radishes, and an onion. Nice stick of butter. And we like our coffee, so we bought a small bag of coffee and we're gonna take it with us from place to place till it runs out, so we have our own. Got some green beans going here, coming along nicely. Got the chicken cooking. GoPro doesn't do the best in low light conditions.
Ooh, yeah. Buttery, spicy chicken. Oops. Some onions and radishes. Cut up this big fucking tomato. And probably drink some of Jeff's beer. Yeah.
After a delicious homemade meal, Nicole and I are gonna get an early night's rest because we have to wake up at 3 a.m. to get picked up at 3:45 for a 4 a.m. kayak tour, specifically trying to see the blue bioluminescence in the water. Nicole and I have been looking forward to that for a long time, and we're pretty excited about it. So we're gonna have an early night tonight. Unfortunately, the GoPro does a shit job in recording low light footage, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it on camera, and I don't wanna bring my smartphone on the kayak with me. I'm gonna bring the GoPro, but we'll see how it goes.
Hey, they're parrots. I just saw them. I saw them up close. Look at.
Babe, I don't think so.
Look at them. Yeah, because they fly in pairs. The parrots, they fly in pairs.
Polly want a cracker?
You can see the